Jack. About my sing why you ready about it, me some no be a tendo in us, and I'm in some nanam kill. Jack, me say, why you ready? I must move it, me send when you're ready, Namunti, me send when you must, and I'm in some binam. A mood. Jack, it's you ever try? I am not for a medical fat. You're correct. Why when you're ready? When you have one. Na neighbor bad hustle na ensu na tawie ni hunu yanka na kachi da babia no better na se na bebopo e wo utim na so untimi move life da babia obera no obeka chi amma o na correct me hwe de bia ye emfa mo bebera me fama nim to nipa desane so asase so enim se onipa obetima de me hwambo marita eye dokore mi marida so enyi na ne tweda mponya kapon meni se ono nkwan na betima boa me wabara num kewu hwe onipa abesha obo ade ebeche no bakona na wakana kore dada mama kada me chero me kana mutie na se mo pe masem tie am kewu na chi mo abra mo betima simu yi hwe na kore na me kana yabote esu ebeta ayana fana medical fa kiwu nia everybody dey exercise ni wenu munyi masuna mo ntwene me bobi ara nya barenta kiwu yedi be jagum se Jack ya mono mane betima ko sampo anwanya se ko betim asan empo anwanya ko bana obi ara ni wo betima break me down. That's the truth of the God.